Let's learn and grow every day.
A couple. Hop, hop, hooray! Hop, hop, hop goes the Easter bunny, bringing eggs when the weather's sunny. Pink ones, blue ones, yellow and green, the prettiest eggs you've ever seen. Hop, hop, hooray, it's Easter day. Let's find some eggs and laugh and play. Hide them here, hide them there. Easter joy is everywhere. In the garden under a tree, I found an egg just for me. Open it up, what's inside? A little treat and a big surprise. Hop, hop, hooray, it's Easter day. Let's find some eggs and laugh and play. Hide them here, hide them there. Easter joy is everywhere. And he's got a basket full of cheer. He brings the magic every year. Wiggle your nose now, hop 2 times. Clap your hands and sing these rhymes. Hop, hop, hooray, it's Easter day. Let's find some eggs and laugh and play. With jelly beans and chocolate too. Happy Easter from me to you.